How to use Brick Styler. The first thing we're going to do is add a site profile. We'll give it a name and we'll change any of the settings to whatever we would like for our sizing. Next, we'll set up our colors. We can choose our color either by selecting it or entering in any kind of color value. Next, let's add an accent color. For an accent color, let's go ahead and choose this pink. We don't need 6 steps of that though, let's just have 3. And then lastly, we need a secondary color. For this secondary color, let's go ahead and leave it at blue, but instead of having all of the darks, let's just have the transparencies and the lights. Now we would like to have this blue come up second in the color picker, so we'll just drag it into place. And we can see that they're in order, and when we see here, we'll see our colors in order. Next, let's go ahead and download the files. We have the palette, the variables, and the theme style, as well as the vanilla CSS should you want to use it that way. Now it's time to install on our site. The first thing we're going to do is to add the theme style. We simply select the theme style and import it, and then select it in the list. Next, we'll go to our variables and we'll import our variables. You'll notice it creates a nice folder system with all your variables in it. Now all that's left is to change our color picker. So we'll go to anything that has a color picker. And instead of this default, let's go ahead and create a palette and we'll import our palette. We'll choose our palette and we'll click edit and just set that as our default palette from now on. Now you can see that our primary colors with all the variants came in. There's the secondary color that we drug into place. And here's our accent with limited variants. We also have lights and darks in transparencies and variants so that you have a full color system. And that's all there is to it. Now when you want to use your site, you can come in, you can pick your colors, quickly have it working any way you want.